Does this thermostat have an automatic switchover feature between heating and cooling? Most modern thermostats require manual mode selection, but some include an automatic changeover function that senses when the indoor temperature crosses your set points and shifts between heating and cooling without user intervention. To check your unit, look for a mode labeled Auto or Automatic on the interface, or in the Settings menu, and consult the installer or user manual for exact naming. If you have a programmable thermostat, set distinct heating and cooling set points, and enable changeover so the device can compare ambient temperature and jump modes when thresholds are crossed. For smart thermostats tied to an app, confirm the feature in the app settings and ensure firmware is up to date because manufacturers sometimes add automatic changeover via updates. If the thermostat lacks an auto mode, you can simulate it by programming a narrow deadband around your comfort temperature and using schedules that favor the most likely mode during different times of day. Always verify the wiring and system compatibility first, because some heat pump systems require specific control logic or a dedicated changeover relay to prevent short cycling or system conflict. Common mistakes include assuming every thermostat with smart labeling has automatic changeover, which leads to unexpected system cycling. Check the exact feature list and test it on a mild day to confirm behavior. Another issue is setting heating and cooling set points too close, which can cause rapid toggling between modes. Leave a dead band of at least 2 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius to stabilize operation. A third problem is incompatible system wiring or omitted relays preventing safe changeover. Consult the installer or the equipment manual and do not force wiring changes yourself to avoid control conflicts. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find and connect with local contractors for jobs related to thermostats and system automation. Our discussion community lets homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask questions, and find practical advice while we help contractors find work through local visibility.